In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate bullet points in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, adding simple animations can make your slides more engaging and memorable. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser and signing into your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. You can begin with a blank presentation or pick a theme to save time and give your slides some instant style. Next, select the text you'd like to animate. This could be a title, a bulleted list, or any text you want to highlight. If your text isn't already in bullet form, just click the bullet icon in the toolbar to format it. You can also customize the style of your bullets by switching them to arrows, stars, or other shapes that fit your theme. Now let's add the animation. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Animation. This will open the animation panel on the right side of your screen. From here, choose the type of animation you want. Common options like Fade In or Appear work great for bullet points. You can also adjust the speed so the timing matches the flow of your presentation. Once you've set everything up, play your slide to preview the animation. If needed, tweak the settings until it feels just right. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've turned your bullet points into a more dynamic, eye-catching element that will keep your audience focused and engaged. In today's